In this case, I'll demonstrate a sole trader. Let's scroll through this Excel file and we can see we've got our revenue, other revenue, some direct costs, some indirect costs, our bank account which grows because in this case there is no drawings for this sole trader. The sole trader is simply receiving a share of the profit for each year, and there is an opening balance. The opening balance carrying forward simply because there's no drawings. So let's do the import. Anado is our sole trader. Simply import that file. And we'll see that we end up with our profit and loss and the balance sheet. So balance sheet balances, 10.8, 65, 65, 10.8, right? Check your classification. Double check your equity classification. So share of profit is current earnings. Right. Over to custom reports, we'll add in a trading set. And we can see if we have a look at the, if we have a look at the owner's declaration signed by Anado, net profit, balance sheet, equity of sole trader, and the statement of change in equity. So the equity is growing by the share of the profit. We could have a look at that as an output. Balance sheet, statement of change in equity, right?